What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. This channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you want to learn graphics design, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Free tutorial from Monday to Friday in CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. Whenever you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on the video. When you click on video, you'll be able to see the present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, both beginner and advanced tutorial. So when you click on the video, remember to scroll down to see my past and present tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to learn graphics from the beginning to advanced, this channel is the best for you. So let's get today's tutorial started.
Welcome back, guys. I welcome you back to my CorelDRAW tutorial for beginner series day 22. So it's been a long time when I released my CorelDRAW series for beginner, but in this case now I have come back fully to complete my CorelDRAW tutorial for beginner from day 1 to day 30 as promised earlier in this channel, and I want to use this medium to appreciate everyone that subscribed to my channel, and I promise you guys a very fantastic content is coming up soon in this channel. So all you have to do is to keep on supporting this channel. So in this tutorial today, guys, I'm going to teach you the importance of bitmap in CorelDRAW. So why do we use bitmap? Sometimes you want to convert raster to vector. That is the most important why we make use of bitmap in Corel. So how do we go about it? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import a picture, I'm going to import a logo in JPEG file into Corel file, right? So I'll go to my home tab now and select import icon, or you press down control key, control high on your keyboard to import. Then I will look for a logo JPEG. Let me see. I think I have some logo JPEG here. Let me see if I can use okay. Let me see if I can use this. That's a logo. Then I will make use of a Twitter logo or so. And I'll click on import. Now, as you can see, all these logos here, they are raster in JPEG file. So I want to convert it to vector. That is why you make use of bitmap in CorelDRAW. But before we do that, we have to go to our home tab here, then select bitmap. Then when you select bitmap, convert to bitmap. So from this point here, this is where you set up every other thing in as far as a bitmap is concerned. Make sure your resolution still remain in 300. The anti-aliasing is checked, transparent background is checked. Then you click on OK. Now you see that after converting to bitmap, the logo color change, right? So the next thing we are going to do is to go to home tab here, select trace bitmap. So having selected trace bitmap, then you scroll down and look for outline trace. Then from outline trace, go to detail logo. So having selected detail logos, CorelDRAW is going to divide it into two. They're going to give you original file and likewise the vector file. So it is now left to you to play around with the format you would like. So in this case now, at this point here, this is where you set your detail to be minor, smoothness. So let me see if the smoothness can be increased to 30. Then the corner can increase to something. So this depends on how the quality of what exactly you are looking at. Then now this is the vector and this is the JPEG, right? So if I click on OK here, So I'm going to have a 2 file, right? So I'm going to have one here as a vector, the other one here as a JPEG. So in this case now, the most important way you make use of a bitmap in CorelDRAW is that if you are going to change this color to, let's say we change this to black, it's not going to happen because this is a JPEG file. But if we come back here and click on the vector tracing, then we try to change the color to whatever. So this is going to change to whatever color we are going to do. So these are the more reason why you use a bitmap in CorelDRAW. It is very much easy for you to convert from raster to vector, and when you try to work around with some stuff like a cartoon image and or whatever you want to convert from raster to vector, it is highly recommend that you make use of bitmap in CorelDRAW and walk through the process and see how far you are able to convert your raster to vector. So if we are to look at this now, we are going to follow the same procedure. So we'll go to the home tab, bitmap, then convert to bitmap. So every other thing looks good, then click on OK. Now you see the change, then go back to the home tab again. Then logo detail, or detail logo, sorry. So it's going to divide it into two, just like how we have it in the previous one. Then we'll be able to pick after the CorelDRAW work on the process, right? Okay, so we can click on OK. Now we have vectors here, then we have raster here, so we can delete this. Then we can begin to work around with this. We can change, we can ungroup. Then we can select all this and press delete and change the logo name. We can do anything as far as raster to vector is concerned if you are able to understand the concept of using bitmap in CorelDRAW. So guys, I believe you learn one or two things in bitmap class in our CorelDRAW series tutorial for beginners. So by the special grace of God, I'm going to continue from where I stopped today as far as our tutorial is concerned. I don't want to rush the class. I want everybody to understand the concept of CorelDRAW, you understand all the principal elements in CorelDRAW. So from there, you'll be able, after completing watching the tutorial from day 1 to day 30, you should be able to handle CorelDRAW to create a stunning graphic, right? So if you enjoyed this today class, give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel now and click on the notification bell icon. So whenever I upload video on CorelDRAW, you should be able to watch and learn one or two things. And if you would like to learn more of advanced graphic in CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, kindly check it out on my channel and see a lot of video I have made in the past. So thank you for staying tuned to the channel. Thank you for watching my video from the beginning to the end.